Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and we have an exciting episode. Can we get lunch for $200 at Flaky's in Mandeville Town? Where else can we get lunch for $200 in Mandeville Town? Let's find out. Come.
Flaky's Cross is located on Wards Avenue in Mandeville Town. Let's go ahead inside and check it out. What kind of restaurant is this? I know that they used to sell patties in the early 90s or 2000s, but they sell a lot of other items like freshly made cocoa bread, rolls, fritters, fried sprat, fried saltfish, festival, fried fish. Alemado plantain too. Whole heap of things. The cocoa bread look nice, man. So the plantain there. Wow. Yo, this restaurant has variety. Them say variety. And they also have some cakes, some desserts for sweet tooth. Yo, plantain tart, Christmas cake, Black Forest. Yo. So imagine you're hungry on the town and you only have $200. What can you get that can fill your belly and broke your pocket? How about 3 fried dumplings with some brown stew chicken gravy on it? Cheaper than a patty. Patty is like $300. This was half or less than half of the price of a patty. One fried dumpling was like $30, so altogether I got this for $90.
Sorry, for $90. So if you only have $100 on the town, it's one of the perfect thing to buy. Fried dumpling with some stew chicken gravy. Delicious. The fried dumpling just sucks up all of the stew chicken gravy. Delicious. Want to try some, Mary? This is really good. It's probably not the most nutritious and healthy, but it's a belly full. And it's just $30 for one fried dumpling. $30 for one fried dumpling.
The fried dumpling was just excellent. It wasn't too dense, it was a little bit aerated, but yet it was still filling and fulling to just fill you up. And then the brown stew gravy, the chicken brown stew gravy was in that bag, and then the fried dumpling just sucked it all up. So the fried dumpling became even more flavorful. Yo, this is fire.
I've just finished eating this and my belly full. So this is worth it. My belly full.
So here's their menu with a lot of things that they do sell separately from just fried dumplings. Alright, so we've reached the end of an amazing video, and I'd like to share a Bible verse with you. Matthew 10 verse 32 to 33. Whoever acknowledges me before others, I will also acknowledge before my Father in heaven. But whoever disowns me before others, I will disown before my Father in heaven. This is like Jesus recognizing we want to have our cake and eat it at the same time. I don't think you can do that. You know, we want to be cool on earth, and sometimes people feel by dismissing Jesus or not admitting that they are Christian, they will be accepted. But yet we want to go to heaven and Jesus to recognize us. And Jesus saying, no, you have to stand up for me on earth. And I think that is one of the reasons why I'm stepping forward and just sharing my Christianity with everyone. A lot of times we feel that to be accepted are to be valued or not to be looked down on, we need to hide our Christianity. Or we feel that if we do share our Christianity, we're not going to become successful. So we kind of just keep it quiet. I am saying, I'm sharing my Christianity, and whatever come. Whatever come. Because I want to get to heaven and I want Jesus to recognize me. And that is as simple as it is. And I'm not saying that you're going to walk around all, pious and religious and, you still have to be somewhat earthly and humble and loving with people. But you're also not supposed to hide Jesus. Alright, so that's the end. Please press that like button, because the more you like it is the more YouTube will what? Will send it out. One love. And please like, subscribe, and comment. All of that, do all of them, please and thank you. And stay tuned for more exciting videos like this.